Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Way of the Hunter 2 game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, not opening, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the requirements to play the game. You have to make sure your PC have all the specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if the problem is fixed. But if the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. You have to wait for some time. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows. Hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue still, then again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, then come back again, remove, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the game is launching now. If not, next method is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. Go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them and after selecting, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have given this link in the description. Just simply copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Wait for some time and after you get setup successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to log into the game and then check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, because most of the time antivirus software will stop you from playing and it may crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads. After the go below, here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So confirm it. After that, restart your Steam and log into it, and after that again launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. For that I have already given this link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below, click on the download option, and this will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you have to select enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, try to launch the game and then check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Way of the Hunter 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Way of the Hunter 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Way of the Hunter 2 game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.